In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add themes in Smartsheet dashboard. If you want your dashboard to feel polished, on-brand, and easy to read at a glance, themes are the fastest way to get there. A theme instantly applies a coordinated set of colors and styles across your dashboard, so your charts, metrics, and text feel cohesive without you tweaking each widget individually. Start by opening the specific Smartsheet dashboard you want to update. Make sure you're looking at the dashboard you intend to style, because the changes you're about to make will apply to that one. It also helps to confirm you have permission to make edits. If you can normally change widgets or layout, you should be good to go. Now, draw your attention to the right side of the screen. There's a vertical sidebar that houses several quick tools. In that sidebar, look for the Paint Palette icon. This is the visual shortcut to the Themes panel. If your window is very narrow, the sidebar might appear compressed, so try widening your browser or scrolling slightly until the palette is visible. Click the Paint Palette icon to open the Themes options. You'll see a selection of themes ready to use. Each one represents a curated combination of background and accent colors designed to work well together across different widget types. To explore how a theme will affect your dashboard, simply click a theme. You'll get an immediate, on-screen preview. This preview lets you see how charts, metric tiles, titles, and background areas adapt, so you can judge readability and overall balance before committing. As you preview, take a moment to scan your most important elements. Check contrast on text over colored areas, make sure chart colors remain distinct and accessible, and confirm the overall look aligns with your team or brand guidelines. If something feels too bold or too muted, click another theme and compare. You can switch between themes as much as you like at this stage. You're not making permanent changes yet. When you've found a theme you're happy with, finalize it by clicking Save at the top right of the dashboard. That single save applies the selected theme across your dashboard and locks in the appearance for everyone who can view it. If you're still unsure, you can navigate away without saving, and your dashboard will keep its previous look. That's all there is to it. Open your dashboard, click the Paint Palette on the right, preview a theme, and save when you're satisfied. With just a few clicks, your dashboard will look cleaner, more consistent, and easier to read.